Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share something interesting about our hands. Now when we do the animation, I have seen that beginners don't actually focus more on the emotions and the feelings which we can convey through the hands. Generally, if a beginner had to do this shot, it's going to be very simple for them. They will just take the hand and just touch it on the door. But if you see in this shot, this is a shot from a film. If I play this, can you feel the emotions conveyed through the hand just by animating the hand in a particular way? Now, if you see the speed of the hand at the beginning, see, the character goes slowly as if the character is actually thinking before even touching the door. That means the thought process which is running in the head that is conveyed through the hand. Now the character's face is not at all visible, but still we can sense what is happening in the shot. And then he holds his hand for a while. That means again he is thinking, how should I do it? Should I do it or not? Thought process. And then slowly, how slowly he touches that particular object, and then the magic happens on the door. So there is always an intention whenever we do animation, and this is very important for me to share it with you so that whenever you animate even your hands, you try to put emotions in your hands and convey what is actually going on in the earlier and the next shot. So if you like this video, follow me for more such videos.